Well, okay. So here we are, little Dietz motor, 36 horse, dual carbs, ported heads, nice and fresh throughout. Excellent little 36 horse sport motor, complete with everything you see here. All you need to go is a starter and a nice old V-dub. See if we can light her up here. There we go. Good. 6-volt generator works, regulator works, got these nice vintage air cleaners on board. I made the fuel line, 6mm steel line, special little union there in the center. Made this Dietz center box, which is the pivot point for the original linkage. This is the original Dietz linkage that came with a manifold. This is a pair of Dietz manifolds from way back in the day. No cracks, no welded spots. They're all just as nice as they can be. Little engine runs like a top. Would look absolutely great and run absolutely great in your vintage Volkswagen. And I just think that you ought to give me a call if you like what you see. Be glad to take more pictures, video, whatever you want. Got nice heater boxes on this thing. Most of the heater boxes work as they should. We've got the flaps down in there, and I can't reach into the video on them. I flap them. It's a mighty nice setup. Good old vintage buck distributor. I think you'll like it. Give me a call.